Elon Musk suggests support for replacing democracy with government of high-status males. The Independent. The theory suggests that the only people able to think freely are high testosterone alpha males and neurotypical people. Below are your comments. The alpha male theory was debunked by the guy who came up with it. He was studying wolves and thought the lead wolf in the pack was the strongest. He later realized he was wrong and that the packs were family groups, which meant the alpha male was the father who stuck with the family and provided. See more. Money cannot buy intelligence, taste, class or talent, and here is walking talking proof. Every time I see him, Flight of the Valkyries goes off in my head for some reason. Well, this isn't new. We've been doing this ever since we walked out of the caves. Look at our world and our planet. It's time for a change. I am a great-grandmother, so I have been around for a long time. Strength is not always physical and has nothing to do with testosterone. Strength is character, beliefs, kindness, patience, loving. And by the way, it is not only in men but in women. And don't forget, you would not be on this earth without women. You want to talk about strength? Try delivering a baby. Has he gotten the mistaken idea that he is high status? He may have money, but that is about it. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.